Imagine a world where everything you know, your jobs, your homes, your everyday life, was turned upside down in just a few decades. That's the story of the Industrial Revolution, and it's one of the most transformative periods in human history. Welcome to a journey back in time, to a period that sparked a giant leap forward for humanity, the Industrial Revolution. Picture a world still dominated by hand tools, agriculture, and small-scale craftwork. Then suddenly everything begins to shift. Why? Because a handful of groundbreaking inventions, extraordinary innovations, and a relentless push for efficiency changed the game forever. It all started in the late 18th century, initially in Britain, a place bursting with resources, coal, iron, water, plus a growing population hungry for change. But the real secret was the spark of ingenuity. The invention of the spinning jenny, the power loom, and the water frame revolutionized textile production. These new machines turned what used to take hours into minutes. The factories sprouted faster than anyone could have imagined, drawing people off farms and into cities in search of work. But it wasn't just about textiles. The steam engine, perfected by visionary engineers, became the heartbeat of the revolution. It powered factories, ships, and locomotives, shrinking the world and transforming transportation. Suddenly, raw materials could be moved faster, finished goods could reach markets more quickly. This shift not only boosted industries, but sparked a societal upheaval. Entire towns grew overnight into bustling urban centers, filled with workers facing new realities. Long hours, dangerous conditions, but also new opportunities. The revolution didn't stop there. The landscape of manufacturing was forever changed. Mass production became possible, laying the groundwork for consumer culture and a higher standard of living for many. But with progress came challenges. Environmental pollution soared, factories churning out smoke, rivers poisoned, landscapes scarred. Societies grappled with the pace of change, and inequalities widened. Workers demanded better conditions, leading to early labor movements and calls for reform. Across the Atlantic and around the world, the Industrial Revolution spread, sparking debates about capitalism, technology, and humanity's future. It was a time of incredible innovation, but also of great upheaval. It set the stage for the modern world, from the way we work to how we connect, to the very fabric of society. So today, we live in a world shaped by this epic transformation. Our smartphones, our cars, our global economy, all trace back to the innovations that first came alive during the Industrial Revolution. It's a story of relentless inventiveness, colossal change, and a reminder that human ingenuity can reshape the world. Thanks to those early pioneers, the world we inhabit now is unrecognizable compared to a few centuries ago. And the story is still being written. Thanks for joining this deep dive into a period that changed everything. Make sure to think about that next time you switch on your light, jump on a train, or even use your smartphone. You're living in the legacy of the Industrial Revolution. Stay curious, stay inspired. Until next time.